Hi, welcome to Toys Unlocked. We are running out of days for our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. But the good news is today we get to build a campfire and some other stuff. So let's do it. What could be better on a cold December day than these two cute teacups? Ugh, cheers. That's really precious. Okay, the campfire that we're going to roast our hot chocolate over, heat it up, that's the word. It's already built, so we're just putting in the flame. And that was really easy and simple. Okay, so now we're going to build what looks to be some kind of pour over coffee maker or percolator of some kind. I'm not really a coffee person, I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't think this is coffee, I think this is hot chocolate. So let's get some in our cups and clear out the extra pieces. That's it, you guys. We have enough cups for Holly, Jolly, and Emma. Clarence is a hamster. He cannot drink hot chocolate. All right, everyone. I will see you tomorrow for day 19. Until we build again, I'll see you then.